Hello friends, this is Favorite Girl, your favorite channel on YouTube. Thank you for joining me, and if you're new to this channel, you are welcomed. Feel at home. This is a safe space for all of us. So feel at home, welcome. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and press the subscribe button. So I want to talk to you guys about a gadget, it's called an ovulation monitoring gadget, the so-called Clear Blue. Some of you have heard about the ovulation measuring kit that is called Clear Blue. Some of you have not, so I am here to talk to you about Clear Blue. So Clear Blue, what it does, you use it to monitor your ovulation so that you don't miss on your ovulation. You don't miss your ovulation day, because I have realized, according to my own experience, I realized that I was battling. One of the reasons why I was battling with infertility could have been because I was missing on my ovulation. That is just it. Because the time I thought I was ovulating was not the time I used to ovulate. It is after, when I was now trying to conceive my second son, is when I realized that, is when I started to monitor my ovulation keenly by using this ovulation kits called Clear Blue. And it is through using it that I realized that my ovulation took place way later than I thought. My ovulation took place from the 22nd day of my cycle. That is actually the day that my fertility started. So the gadget is 100% accurate. Let me not say 100%. 99.9.9.9.9.9 accurate. That gadget is very, very accurate. So I compiled a video. I recorded the process, the time that I was trying to conceive, the time I was using that Clear Blue. I recorded everything from how you use it from the first day when I started using it up to the last day when I finally ovulated. I have documented everything. So in the video following this, you will see the whole process, how I did it, you'll see the whole thing, and how the thing works. Then you will understand better what I'm talking about. So this gadget is not only used for monitoring your ovulation, you can also use it to determine the sex of the child that you want. In my case, we wanted another boy. We got another boy before, and this time round we wanted also to get another boy. So we used Clear Blue to do that. In that, this gadget shows you the exact day, the real day that you ovulate. You understand? According to biology, the sperm of a man has the X chromosome and the Y chromosome. And when the X meets, and a woman has X, a man has X and Y, and a woman has X and X. Okay? So we were told that when the X of the man and the X of the woman meet, then it forms a baby girl. Then you conceive a baby girl. And when the Y of the man meets with the X, the woman has, so X and X. So the Y of the man should meet the X to form a male child, yeah? So, and what happens is, these Y chromosomes, the ones that are responsible for the male child, they are the fastest to reach the egg. They are very fast to reach the ovulated egg, yeah? And them being very fast, they are also they're not so strong, they die very fast. You understand? The male chromosome, the Y chromosome, it dies very fast. You understand? So that is why it's also easy to explain why we have many female than male, and it is not easy to get a male child, because for you to get a male child, you must target the real day where you ovulate, your real ovulation day, yeah? And that is what many women do not know. Many of us usually just, it's like playing poker, either you lose or you get, yeah? But if you want a male child, try to monitor your ovulation using a Clear Blue or any other monitoring gadget. It will show you the exact date you are ovulating. That exact date you are ovulating, that is the day you can conceive a male child. Any other day before that or after that is too late. Any other day before that, it is a female child that you will conceive. Reason being, the X chromosome from the man, it is the one that is carrying a female child. It is very slow, yeah? Just like women are slow. They take time to do things. It is very slow. It reaches the egg, the ovulated egg, later, yeah? So that means it is slow to reach the egg, but another thing, it has a long life. You understand? It can stay in a woman up to 5 days. You understand? It can stay up to 5 days waiting for the egg, and then it dies off. But the Y being so fast, the Y chromosome being so fast, stays only for 24 hours and then it is gone. It is dead. It doesn't have strength anymore. Yeah? So that means if you want to conceive a baby girl, you will start a few days. You will start mating with your partner a few days to your ovulation. Let me even say from the fifth day to your ovulation, or 3 days to your ovulation, so that it is already there. The X chromosome is already there, in that when the egg comes out, it will be the first one to enter. You understand? It has been there already waiting. While the Y died since. You understand my theory? Yeah. So that is the method we used, and it worked. We got our second son just as we wanted. Yeah. But it is not easy if you're just following an ovulation calendar. If you're just following a fertility calendar or a fertility app or an ovulation app, it is not so accurate. The most accurate thing is by using an ovulation gadget. Yeah. So what this Clear Blue, what it does, on your fertile days, when you are fertile, that means you can get pregnant, though the ovulation is not yet there, but the X chromosome will still be waiting. Yeah, it can stay for 5 days, remember? From the moment your body starts getting fertile, this Clear Blue will start, if you use it, it will start blinking. It always shows a smiley, yeah? So the smiley will just be blinking, meaning you are fertile, you can get pregnant. But if you get pregnant, it will be a baby girl. You understand? And if you continue measuring until it reaches a point, it is no longer, the smiley is no longer blinking, but it is just stand still. A smiley that is not moving, it is just there, it is just smiling at you. That is the day you have reached your highest peak of ovulation. That is the day you have reached your peak. On that day, your body must ovulate. An egg must be released. Yeah? So if you are targeting to get a baby boy and you're using a clear blue, you have to wait. Any other smiley that is blinking, don't do anything there. Just wait, hold on. Wait until you will see the smiley that is not blinking. If you're looking for a baby boy, that smiley that is not blinking, yeah, that is the one that will give you a male child. I can assure you, it works. Yeah, it has worked for all my friends who have used it and all the people around me who have used it, and it has worked for me, so I know what I'm talking about. Yeah. So to let you know that the thing is accurate, on the day when it shows, when on the screen, its screen appears a smiley that is not blinking, meaning you have ovulated. Any other day, the next day, after that day, if you measure yourself again, it will not show you anything. It will not show you anything. It will show you only an empty circle without any smiley. An empty circle in the ovulation, in the clear blue ovulation kit means you are not even ovulating, you are not even fertile, or your ovulation is already over. There is nothing, there's nothing that can happen after that. An empty circle in that measuring kit means either you are not even near fertilization, your body is not even fertile, or you have ovulated and the ovulation is over and there's nothing. This thing, what it does, it measures the hormone level in your body, the estrogen level. So before you ovulate, or a few days to ovulation, the estrogen level shoots up. Yeah, to prepare your body for conception. Yeah. So the highest peak of estrogen level, that is the day the smiley comes out without blinking. Yeah, it has reached its peak. That is when now the egg is released. After that, the estrogen level drops completely. And if you measure yourself the next day or 2 days later, your estrogen level is at 0. It will not, the thing will not detect it, meaning everything is gone. You have to wait for the next cycle. Yeah. So I have compiled a video together. I've put a video, I've compiled a video showing all that, how I used it step by step, day by day. So enjoy that video. Leave comments, ask me questions under my comment section concerning this theme or concerning the video. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please take a break, take a breather, and press the subscribe button. And I will see you in my next video with another interesting topic of this kind. Thank you. God bless you, and next time. Bye bye. Mwah.